So we finished one coat of paint, except for the walls. The walls are still totally my pink, but I've started painting the dresser, the bed frame, all the good stuff. Just ignore the mess anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get a few clips of us painting, and we're just gonna finish this on up. We started painting. Come on, follow me. I have my camera girl Shauna today. I'm sure she doesn't want to be on camera with this bun on her head. We finished painting the dresser for the most part, the bed frame. My closet is finished. I'm not gonna go in there because, well, it's a mess. So what I'm gonna do now, I told y'all that I was gonna reupholster this because this is coming off. So what I'm gonna do now is just start the reupholstering process. So I gotta unscrew this and take the bed down a little bit, and then we'll get into it. Okay, we finally got all the screws out, so we're just gonna push it out. Ooh. All the screws is out. Alright. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring it on over here, and I'm gonna take. I really don't think I have to take these. I probably won't. I'm just gonna probably re-staple it. But this needs to be repainted, and then I need to redo this headboard. So just stick it right there. Like, you can bring it on down. Bring it on down. Okay. Take this off. Here we go. Okay, this is the fabric I got to go.
You're not gonna take this off? Like, rip this?
You can just cover it. See? You can just cover it. Like so. And then we'll staple, cut. But not right now. We're gonna go ahead and paint this. But yeah, y'all. Alright, gonna go ahead and paint this while I work on this.
So this, the side, all this, you want to paint back too? Or
no, you can leave it back.
Alright. And I gotta wash out the phone.
I think I'm gonna do the sides first. And then I'll just cut it once I get through. I got my handy dandy stapler with staples. So I'm just gonna pop this open and then just reupholster the bed. Alright, couple more staples, y'all. Sorry for the loud noise. I'm gonna do now, after I put a couple more staples in here. Yeah, I was just going smoothly. It's trying to show off on Facebook. Forget it. So what I'm gonna do now, Shauna, go grab me a scissors, please. I'm gonna take some purple scissors. It would be good to have fabric scissors, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna cut it with regular scissors. But it wasn't hard to do once we figured out, or once I figured out how to use the stapler. So once I cut this out, I'm gonna do one more coat of paint on here just so it'll look uniform and good. And then I'm gonna pop this back in there. No.
Oh, I about to say these kitchen scissors.
Not kitchen scissors, never mind.
They in the office?
No. I'll be back, y'all. Take my scissors and kind of cut. Like I said, it'll be easier. It would be easier with some fabric scissors, but I don't have any of that, so this is gonna have to do. I'm not gonna throw away this excess fabric. I have another project I wanna do with that. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Trying to make sure I ain't cutting my bed. Alright, y'all. I finished this project. As soon as that second coat of paint on there dries, like on the inside, I don't know if I can get it. But yeah, like the inside. Don't worry about the back, it's not gonna be shown. And I told you I was gonna use that extra fabric for a different project, and it'll be this project. So this is gonna become white and gray. I'm gonna use the fabric to reupholster this. Yes. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna try to get footage of me cleaning this up first. And then and sanitizing everything, and then I'm gonna go into painting and reupholstering, because this is going in here, back over there where it was. Haven't decided what I was gonna put on that wall, or if I was gonna put anything on that wall. But just stay tuned, we'll see. All right. Y'all, now that this is pretty much clean, I'm just going to disassemble, like just take the mirrors off, and then I can take the top off of the stool, and I'm gonna start painting after I do that. Apply this gray color to my wall. I wanted something a little more adult, and I think this gray is gonna give it to me. I'll probably insert a picture like right here of what the inspiration was for this room. So yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. Gone for the most part is that Pepto-Bismol pink, and we got Grown Up Girl gray. I got a few places right there that need to be retouched, but this wall is still pink because I think I'm gonna make this white, and I'm gonna do my vision wall right here. I'm gonna move my bed over there. Just gonna stay there. Makeup station right there. closet, which you can't see, but it's white, and I'm gonna make me like a little walk-in closet, but stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna fill in some of these little pink places, paint this white, and so stay tuned. And oh, and also decorate, go ahead, do the vision wall. So I'm gonna try, if it's not too long, I'm gonna try to make that one video. I'm going to try. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for now. So just come back for hopefully the completion. But we'll see. Hopefully it's the final product. I'm gonna decorate and all that good stuff. But yeah, for now, gone is that Pepto-Bismol pink. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, I painted this, started to. I still gotta do the stool and reupholster the stool. But that looks so good on that gray wall. Much better. Much brighter in here. But all right, y'all.